Hey guys, I had a lot of requests to show you how I make my okra. So I'm gonna make some more right now and I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna turn it into a blog post too. So if you want to know how to make okra, buckle your boots. Okay, so first things first, picking your okra. A lot of times it comes in a package like this, or sometimes you can rummage through and grab your own. A little bit of discoloration is fine. There a little bit of black. You see there's a little bit of kind of black discoloration. That's okay as long as it, this is like way too flimsy. So I'm going to throw this one out. Okay, so I rinsed this off. I patted it dry. And next I'm just going to cut off this end. I'm going to cut it off like really close to the end, like right there. And then I just cut off this little nubby part too at the very end here, just because I find it's kind of discolored and stuff a lot of times. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna make little slices of each one. Okay, I added my oil, I'm adding my okra, and next I'm gonna add my panko. This recipe ends up using a lot more oil than I usually use. If you don't have enough oil, it's not gonna become crispy crunchy like you need it to. Okay, there's my oil. I'm just kind of making sure I can get it all over everything. And next I'm going to add my panko, and then we'll be adding more oil as we go. So I've added my panko. I honestly don't usually measure this. I measured it today. I'm using about a 1/4 cup. But what ends up happening, sometimes I use too much, and that's fine. It just kind of becomes golden. You just kind of eat around it. It's not a big deal. It hasn't become golden or anything, but I'm going to add 1 more tablespoon of oil. I hear that pop sizzle, and then it's going to start to become more golden brown. It's become a little bit more golden, but it still hasn't done exactly what I want, so I'm going to do 1 more. Like I said, more oil than I usually use, but it's pretty necessary and looking good. I think we're done here. Now we're ready to eat. So we're just a little bit golden brown. This panko is pretty golden. We're ready. Okay, so this is it. So you'll see I still have some panko around here. If you end up putting too much panko on accidentally, you can just kind of eat around it, but I think this is totally fine amount. And it's delicious.